Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today is a little extra pixie dust. We're going to make a mocktail. We're going to go to the Caribbean Beach Resort and we are going to make a tropical paradise. So I have a shaker with some ice in it. To that, I'm going to add pineapple juice, cream of coconut, getting tropical already, orange juice, lime juice, and some cinnamon. Not something I think of when I think of a cocktail spice, but hey, we'll see how it is. We're going to pop our lid on. We're going to give this a good shake. And then we're going to pour it, probably with spilling, because always, I can't pour without spilling, into our glass that's got some crushed ice in it. Oh, that looks delicious. Get it all out of there. That looks really good. And then we're going to top it with a little bit of ground nutmeg. Grab it so you can give it a little sprinkle. Doesn't all go on in a clump. And there you have it, a tropical paradise mocktail. If you like this recipe, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.